In a medium bowl, I'm going to combine the powdered milk and the condensed milk. So this is about 1/3 cup of condensed milk. Okay, so everything is in. I'm just going to use the same spatula and I'm going to mix this together. If you think that the mixture is too dry, you can add more condensed milk, but not too much. I'm just going to massage this using my hand to make sure that everything is well blended. This is the right consistency that I'm looking for, so I'm just gonna stop here and I'm going to put a cling wrap on the table. Here's our pastillas mixture and I'm going to roll it into a log. Next, I'm going to cover it with a cling wrap just like this, and I will keep on massaging it. If you're going to sell these pastillas, you can actually keep it for up to 1 week at room temperature. We can now remove the cling wrap and we can start dividing the pastillas. I'm using a knife to cut the pastillas, and this is about 1/2 inch thick. So I'm just going to continue cutting the pastillas. Okay, so I'm done cutting the pastillas. I'm now going to flatten each piece. I'm also going to use a rolling pin to flatten the pastillas. Then we're going to put the marshmallows on each piece. Then we will seal it just like that. I'm also going to use a cupcake liner where I will put each pastillas. I will keep on doing the same step with the remaining piece. I'm using a rolling pin again to flatten the dough. So be careful not to make it too thin because the pastillas might break if you do that. Place the marshmallow and seal it again. Lastly, we're going to roll each pastillas in granulated sugar. So just roll it like this. And then I'm going to use a cupcake liner. You can also use cellophane if you're selling it. Roll it again in granulated sugar, then place it in the cupcake liner. As I've mentioned earlier, you can sell this or you can make this as your kids' baon, and you can also do this for kids' party. Here's our delicious pastillas. My kids love it. Try this recipe and I'm sure you will like it too.